This video shows how to configure the ABB General Purpose Drive, ACS580, to use two different ramp times. Ramp time configuration can be accessed quickly through Primary Settings menu. Here the drive is first set to use the deceleration time by selecting the ramp stop mode. We then activate the second ramp set. Now we select the activating signal for second ramp set. Activation signal for toggling between ramp sets can be chosen to be a digital input, field bus signal, or a pointer from the parameter list. Depending on the application, the second set of ramp times may use significantly different values from the first set. Now the drive is set correctly to use two ramp times and ready to be used. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.